The reason I started Driven Data really started from the problems that I experienced firsthand, having day-to-day sprawling operation across 12 locations, of which I was the e-commerce director at an automotive group. And the complexity of the data, the complexity of understanding what was happening was so challenging that we focused on solving it, and we did so in a number of ways. And I really thought to myself, like, if we could do this here, we could probably scale that and support dealerships across the country with this model that we had essentially figured out. So the big challenge for dealerships with this sprawling data really is they have no visibility as to what's happening inside their organization. So they end up really operating on post-mortem metrics, which are revenue-based, not some of the leading indicators that are traffic-oriented or lead-oriented, where you could see a problem before it arises and then make an actual corrective action. Driven Data really kind of has, I think, 3 steps in its history. So the first step was we had to become an integration company first. To have visibility to these things, you have to first integrate with them. And so to this day, we have about 100 integrations, but one of the things that we did that was very special is we integrated with CRM providers that had never been integrated before. And so that was really phase 1, was getting that core integration architecture set up. That took forever, years, 2-3 years to build that. From there, we built the measurements, the analytics, and what was actually happening across these integrations, which we were doing at the same time, but really kind of tuning. And then the critical moment was using all of the integrations, using all the analytics, and then supporting marketing with first-party data from the dealership CRM, from their DMS, directly into advertising to solve some of the operational problems. And that's that crescendo from 1 to 2 to 3. The sum of all those parts is Driven Data today.